I'm sitting on the stile, Mary, where we once sat side by side on a bright May morning long ago, when first you were my bride. The corn was springing fresh and green, and the lark sang loud and high, and the red was on your lips, Mary, and the love light in your eyes. 'Tis but a step down yonder lane, the village church stands near, the place where we were wed, Mary. I can see the spire from here, but the graveyard lies between, Mary, and my step might break your rest. Where I laid you, darling, down to sleep with a baby on your breast. I'm very lonely now, Mary, for the poor make no new friends, but oh, they love the better still the few our Father sends. For you were all I had, Mary, my blessing and my pride, and I've nothing left to care for now, since my poor Mary died. Yours was the good brave heart, Mary, that still kept hoping on, when the trust in God had left my soul, and my arms' young strength had gone. There was comfort ever on your lip, and a kind look on your brow, and I thank you, Mary, for the same, though you cannot hear me now. I'm bidding you a long farewell, my Mary kind and true, but I'll not forget you, darling, in the land I'm going to. They say there's bread and work for all, and the sun shines always there, but I'll ne'er forget old Ireland, were it 50 times as fair. And often in those grand old woods I'll sit and shut my eyes, and my heart will wander back again to the place where Mary lies, and I think I'll see that little stile where we sat side by side in the springing corn and the bright May morn, when first you were my bride.